Video F550. Need to go put some fuel in it. I was running the welder, and it started spitting and sputtering. I'm guessing once it gets so low, it won't let it run. It'll probably start back up because it does have a backup camera. I didn't leave it. Actually, the camera stays on, I guess, all the time, maybe. Or maybe I may have hit a button. Anyways. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Trucks, for the miles, the truck is really clean. Tires are good. It started right up when I went out there. Or actually my nephew went and pulled it out, but it started up. Whenever I started it, I hooked up the jumper cables, see if they worked, and I sparked them together, and it would throw this fault code. So I know it was sensing them. So I guess it's made to where I didn't have a battery sitting here to jump, but I went inside, got a little heater, and plugged in the generator, and the heater came on. So I'm sure it works. With that working, the welder probably works too. I mean, all that runs off that generator. The air compressor built up to, I believe it's 165, 170. It's down to it's about 60 or 70 right now. I've been sitting here for 30 minutes off. I know that whenever it was after I shut it off, it bled down air until it got to a certain point, and I don't know if it's made to do that, because like I say, once it got down to a certain point, it was bleeding it off up by the compressor, and once it got to a certain point, it just quit running, quit bleeding it off. I'll have to find the crane remote. I'll probably do that in a separate video. I don't have anyone here right now to video me running the crane. I've got someone here, but he's out with another customer. So I'm gonna do this main walk around video. There's the oil tanks and everything. I need to get those batteries out of here. Where the torches went. That's what it started doing earlier. I think it's because the truck's low on gas. It may be the governor. It is up to pressure. It's at it went up to 160. So maybe it's because it's up to pressure and that governor's regulating it. I don't know. But I mean, it started up fine. Tires are in good shape. Bottom of the boxes. I've already got that one. So you can hear it. That's what I was talking about. You can hear it bleeding off air after you shut it off. Got a few paint chips here. Drawer works real smooth. Yeah, these drawers are real smooth. So I guess that's the extra dividers and stuff. I'll get this uploaded, send you a link to it. I guess 150 amp welder, 5,000 watt generator, 20 CFM air compressor. I'll get it uploaded. Like I say, you can, here in just a second, it'll quit bleeding off. Even though it's still got air pressure, it just, like I say earlier, it got to a certain point and then just quit. So I guess it's so you can start it back up without it having a bunch of head pressure. I'm not sure. That would be my guess. I'll drive the truck just to see how it runs and everything, but the truck's pretty clean, and we go through them pretty good, so I'm sure that it's good. I can pull a list of what all we done to it as well. And like I say, I'll go find the crane controller, get a different video with the crane.